Hey you guys, welcome to a bonus video. I'm Kristen with another Chance Resale, and we have another unboxing from Jeulia Jewelry. I am really so honored and grateful to be working with this brand because they are a sustainable jewelry company. If you are new to my video series about Jeulia Jewelry, they are sustainable, meaning they're precious metals. So they do sterling silver and gold plated. They do rose gold plated, yellow gold plated. They even have a black finish. It is all base in sterling silver, and it is all reused sterling silver. So it's all been recycled, and they small batch the items, so it is not mass produced, and they even lab grow their own stones, making that sustainable as well. So they're not out there taking natural stone from the environment. So also, their boxes, their packaging is from recycled materials as well. So not only does the brand have incredibly beautiful jewelry, they're sustainable, and that's what I love also because I'm a reseller. I like to save things from ending up in landfills, and this brand just amazing. So they also have literally something for everyone. They have some stuff from very simple, very classic. They have very elegant, very beautiful. They have like the wedding series. They have more of very casual. They even have a lot of like animal related things, character related things. So really take a look at their website. They have something for literally everyone. Now, they are doing a Black Friday offer. So in addition to their up to 70% off sale on their items, my code Kristen20 is in addition to the sale prices. So you can save an extra 20% on the already discounted prices, but this is only until December 2nd. So cash in on the Black Friday deal. Get something for yourself, get something for a loved one. The holidays are right around the corner. Okay, enough of that. Let's see what we got. Now, they do give me some options to choose from. I give them a few of my choices, and they pick from there, from what they send me. Now, I will also be doing Instagram Reels for them, so I will be showing you those as well. I will probably put them down in the comment section. So that was just a little default photo. All right, so we have, so let's just, for example, this is their little catalog, only shows literally just a bit, but see they have like a Starry Night themed jewelry. They have Unstoppable Love stuff. So they have like, if you're giving a gift of love, and if it's maybe like Valentine's, they even have this collection that is called Hug Me. So like they have like the little animal with the hugging the stone. Look at the little porcupine or the little hedgehog. How cute. You know, they have mother-child options for gifting. They really have something for everyone. They even have men's jewelry. So that was a little sneak peek. And it looks like I have 3 items here. So let's go with the little baggie first. All right. Let's see what we got. And I will put the style numbers of each of these items. So when you go to the website, you can type in this style number and it will get you directly to the item if you are interested in these items specifically. So here's the first item. I decided to get things a little different this time, and I went with a bracelet. And look at the little Saturn and the little star and all the different color stones. And then look at the chain is hearts. Then you have the little dangle is also a stone. So this is gold plated sterling silver, and you can see it is also adjustable. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't know if I can get it on my wrist quickly, but let's see. I can just, it's on there a little bit big, but it's just for little demonstration purpose. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, I think I just put it on backwards. It's okay. Next, we have a little box. This one is a ring. So this one can be a unisex ring. This is why I got it, so you can kind of see like more of a unisex piece. I got this for a middle finger or pointer finger ring. It is also gold-plated sterling silver, and it has a lion face. So I thought that was cool, the big mane around the sides, and then you have the eyes right here, and then the little snoot right there, and his ears here and here. So I thought that was really cool. This is like a nice, you know, standout piece. And then the last box, we have a necklace. So this I wanted to get to show you that black plating that I talked about. And this one is so cool. So it has a stone in the center. Let me get it open. So it has the black plated sterling silver, and then the heart, and then all the stones around the edge as well, with the regular sterling silver throughout the middle. Isn't that just so beautiful? So you don't have to be like girly, super girly to wear this jewelry. They even have some options for a little bit darker. They're a little bit of a darker side. So I thought this was really cool, and I just love how this brand has something for literally everyone. So whether you like it super dressy or super casual or super funky or super cute, there you go. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you check out jeulia.com. I will put all the direct links in the comment section, and my code Kristen20. So you can either go to jeulia.com and use my code at checkout, or you can click the direct link that I will put in the comment section, and that will automatically put my code discount in your cart when you're done shopping. So you can do either or, and like I said, I will put the search ID numbers for each item in case you wanted to take a look at one of these specifically. You can do that as well. So I just want to thank Jeulia Jewelry again for entrusting me with their beautiful jewelry and showing it to you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Get yourself something for the holidays. Get your loved ones something really good. Remember, the 20% off code Kristen20 is in addition to the already sale prices they have, which is up to 70% off. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out jeulia.com. Like I said, I will have all the information in the comments section. Check it out and see if you can snag something before December 2nd. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one.